Hello, this is Terrence Wing from Liquid Learn with Module 2 for building a training course with the new Twitter interface. And in this module, what we're going to do is we're going to start covering the icons and tools that trigger the interface media player, which is really the meat and potatoes of this whole course. Now, there's a couple of things to realize here. One is that I'm in my profile page, so make sure you click your profile tab, and I'm working out of my favorites. And there's a reason why I do that. I'll go into a little bit more detail later on it, but to kind of give you a preview of why I do it, it's because the favorites tab allows your content to be permanent, static, and clean. So there's nothing in your favorites that you didn't want to put in there, and you can easily remove it. So it gives you a little bit more control. You can place things in certain orders with a little creativity, and I'll get into that in another module as well. But that's the main reason why I use the favorites tab. So you'll also notice that on these tweets, there's these little icons that are on the side here. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see the icons better. Okay, so this view should give you a little closer view of the icons. So this icon here is your geotagging icon, or your location tagging icon. And every tweet has this little button, and what this button does is it just basically takes the content from that tweet and it pushes it over to the right side, that right column where the media player is. So whether or not there's media in the tweet or not, if you push that button and there's no content, no hyperlinks, basically what you'll just get is that Twitter users profile and their tweets there. The next icon here is a picture icon. As we scroll down a little bit more, the last icon here is a movie icon. So those are the three main icons that are going to help us build this course within the Twitter interface. So now let's click on them and see what they do. So we're going to do first the geotagging or location tagging tool. And what that basically is going to do is trigger Foursquare in this case. And you'll have to test to see if the other geotagging tools work, like Gowalla. Those I haven't tested, but I know Foursquare, and now you know that Foursquare does work, and Foursquare is probably the most popular of all of them. Facebook locations, I'm not quite sure if that works in there. You'll have to test that out. I'll probably wind up testing it out too eventually. But if you're using Foursquare as part of your training, then this could be a useful tool for you to do. So this gives you the opportunity to bring a map into it. So now let's take a look at the next one. All right, so we'll look at the picture tool. And as we click on the picture tool, what you get there is a photograph. Now you can use the photograph for if you want to present a slide, a map, a diagram, anything that's appropriate for the course that you're embedding inside this new Twitter interface. And last but not least is the video interface, or the video link. And what that does is it plays video in the media player inside of the Twitter interface. Now the great thing about this is that it plays Justin TV, Vimeo, YouTube. So it's quite extensive as far as the more popular streaming videos or recorded videos applications. So in this case, I'm using a Justin TV feed from a recorded show on Justin TV. But what's great about having Justin TV on there is that it allows you to do synchronous and asynchronous training within the interface. So in this particular case, you're seeing a live broadcast of eLearn Chat, which is every Tuesday on Justin TV, justin.tv/relate Corp, C-O-R-P, and that's 10 a.m. Pacific time, so you can catch it there. So my system's running a little slow here, and the video is not actually playing, but you get the idea. And those are the three tools that we use in the new interface that they all play in the media player. So that's module 2, and in the next module we'll get into a little bit more detail on how to actually start composing your content. So these are all great tools, and the meat and potatoes is coming up in the next module. So I'll see you in the next module.